Drink onion juice daily. This will happen to your body. Onion juice may not be the most popular drink, but it remains one of the most beneficial juices for our overall health. This is because it contains many great nutrients and antioxidants and has unique and potent healthy compounds. Though onion juice may not seem like the most pleasant of drinks to consume, we actually don't need to consume large amounts of it if we are having it regularly. Just add 1 tablespoon to a quarter cup of onion juice to a glass of water mixed with 1 tablespoon of honey, or simply add it to your favorite smoothie recipes. To extract the juice, you can use a blender, food processor or juicer. Now, let's discuss some of the great health benefits of drinking onion juice regularly. 1. First, onion juice contains many different vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidant compounds. It contains great levels of vitamin C and vitamin B6, as well as magnesium, iron, calcium, and phosphorus. Onion juice also contains dietary fiber, many antioxidants and sulfur, which has anti-carcinogenic properties for our body. 2. Drinking onion juice regularly can also help to improve digestion. This is often attributed to the great amounts of the compound inulin which onions contain. This dietary fiber compound acts as a food source for healthy bacteria found in the intestines and digestive tract. This allows it to help this good bacteria to thrive, improving digestion. Onion juice can also help to promote healthy bowel movements. 3. It can also help to promote the health of our heart and increase cardiovascular health a number of ways. When onion juice is consumed consistently, studies have found that it can help to lower cholesterol levels and decrease the risk of heart disease. The nutrients in onion juice, such as sulfur compounds and chromium, can also help to lower levels of homocysteine, which can be damaging to our heart. Onion juice also contains many different heart-healthy antioxidants, such as quercetin. 4. Onion juice can also help to reduce blood sugar levels in the body and reduce glucose levels. Research has shown that this is largely attributed to the unique compounds onions contain, such as sulfur and flavonoid compounds. Regular consumption of onion juice may also have a hypoglycemic effect for individuals with diabetes. As well, the chromium in onion juice can help to improve glucose tolerance. 5. It can also help to reduce inflammation throughout the entire body due to its potent and powerful antioxidant compounds. Onion juice is a great source of many different flavonoid antioxidant compounds and quercetin. Quercetin is a potent antioxidant that can help to reduce chronic inflammation. As well, these antioxidants can help with the elimination of free radicals in the body and reduce oxidative stress, while also preventing the oxidation of fatty acids. 6. Lastly, drinking onion juice can have tremendous benefits for the health and look of our hair. As mentioned previously, onion juice contains sulfur compounds, which is an essential nutrient for hair growth promotion. These sulfur compounds also help to improve circulation in the body, which helps our hair follicles get the nutrients it needs to remain strong and healthy looking. The antioxidants found in onion juice can also help to improve the look of our hair. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.